morning, folks. Cory.Newport coming at you from Guaranty, breaking out a 2018 Chevy Colorado LT edition. It has only 14K on it for miles. It is the V6 package, and again, it's the LT package, so very nicely equipped. It is your crew cab as well. Got your power seat, your OnStar, got your big screen on this one with the backup camera. Lots of goodies, folks. You need to come out and see it. It's been very well maintained, pristine condition, as you can see. One of a kind. I have a couple here to choose from for Colorados. Different colors, beautiful. One here beside me that you can see is certified, and then this one here as well. Low miles. Folks, this is a beauty. It's the perfect color. It's the V6. It's the LT package. It's Guaranty, and it's Cory.